So you want a few tips on how to draw? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm Robbie Greer from Rusticated Art, and this is my Fun Times Family Art playlist where you get to draw along with me from the comfort of your own home. Now be sure to watch through to the end, because not only will I be showing you all the techniques that I've learned along the way, but I'm also going to be giving a shout out to another very special channel. So what do you reckon? You ready to get started? Come on in. Okay, now for today's tutorial we're going to be needing a little brush for brushing away all the crumb and everything. I'm using a set square, but you can just use an ordinary ruler, no problem there. An ordinary pencil, I'm using a mechanical pencil, but just an HP pencil will do fine. What else do we need? An eraser. Once again, I can't find my eraser, so I'll be using my electric eraser. It's a USB one. That's about it for today. And what we're going to be doing, I'm going to show you how to draw glass. Start off with just putting a line across the bottom there, and we're going to draw a window. I don't want to make it too big, just an ordinary window. We won't get too technical. It's only a short tutorial. Now, of course, on the window, first thing is we've got the outline, and then we've got this piece here, which the window fits in. And they don't have to be exact. Well, it should be a bit better than that though. We're going to just square that up. And inside that goes the window frame. So we'll just put a line there, just follow that closely. Across the bottom. The bit at the bottom is always a little bit wider, isn't it? Go up here. There. Put a little piece in the middle, halfway across. That. Yeah, should we do the same across that way? Yeah, 3.5. And there you have your little window. So we'll put so it opens out, so we'll just put a couple of hinges in here. Just see that down here. I suppose there should be a window sill down here. And we're just looking straight at it, so there's no perspective involved in this. Rub that out. Brush away the crumb. So we'll just darken that up in there. A little bit of a gap there. Probably a little bit big on this side, but it doesn't matter. We'll just say it's an old window. Across the top. Right, so we've got the window jamb around the outside, then we've got the actual window frame, and we've got the window sill. Now, this is how we go about drawing glass, putting glass in. We want to be roughly about a 45-degree angle. Now I'm just going to go really lightly here, just so you get that angle. And then all we do is we stay on that angle, and we just go from there, like that, then we go like that. Probably better to use a wood pencil here because you can get more lead. I'm just using my HB. Just like that. Yeah, that just gives it's casting the shadow, you know, when you see light on a piece of glass. And of course we can make it a little bit more fancier by going around here, putting in the putty, I guess. It'll be the putty. Yep. Just holding the window pane, the glass pane in place. Darken that up a bit. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's an old window. And then I'm going to show you, say for example this piece is broken, so we'll go like this, and then we just shade that in. There you go. So a little bit broken out there. And let's just put a bit of timber wood grain in here. Over here. What could be painted. Just shaded it, just like that. Just see a little gap down there. I don't like the straight lines, you know. I'm just going to go over those lines. Make it look a bit older. I'm just using the blending brush first, just to go over that softly. It's just manipulating, or just spreading the graphite around, putting it where we want it to go. And we'll say that that's a white window, wooden frame around it. I'm going to use a bit of blue tack. These are extra tools. Extra tools that you can use. I mean, you don't have to. I decided I just wanted to do it. And we'll just take a little bit out like that. Put it down there. It's just a quick way to do an old window frame and how to draw or to shade in glass. Well, how easy was that? And I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Let's jump over to this week's shout out.
Now let me introduce you to Damo's Art Studio. Now I know I've featured him 2 or 3 times in the past, but I wanted to give him a special shout out this week because he's entered into an online art competition. And I would really like for everybody to go over there, and he's going to need some support. So we've got to vote for him. Now his art is beautiful. I just want to make this short and sweet. And he's a fellow Kiwi as well. So, you know, give him some support because he'd be the first one to help you out if you asked him for some help. And like, once again, I'll leave a link to his channel and to the Outline Competition's website. So when you get the chance, jump on over there. Tell him Robbie from Rusticated-Artist sent you. I know he'll really appreciate you for it.
Now, if you did enjoy that and you feel you got some value, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. And share it with your friends, because if you enjoyed it, the chances are they're going to enjoy it just as much. And if you haven't yet subscribed but would like to, it would certainly help my little channel out. As you can see, I'm getting so close to that 1,000 subscriber. So hit that red button, ring the bell, and that way you'll never miss another video. Now don't go just yet, click on this video over here. I know you're going to enjoy that one. Well, that's about it, my friends. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one. Same time, same place.